Welcome everyone, my name is Colt, I'll be your instructor as we learn a whole bunch of advanced JavaScript. The goal of this course is to take you from whatever JavaScript experience level you have to someone who truly knows JavaScript in and out. There are many people out there, you may be one of them, that know the basics of JavaScript. Functions, loops, objects, arrays, let, const, all that stuff. Conditionals, some DOM manipulation, maybe some stuff around promises and async functions and classes, but there's a whole world of more advanced concepts that this course covers. So I made this course to help people make that transition from learning JavaScript, being pretty comfortable with it, to really mastering the language. So we're going to cover things like closures and currying and prototypes, some of the latest JS features, static initialization blocks, private class fields, generators. We'll talk a lot about different APIs that are built into JavaScript, the performance API, WebSocket API, all the different web storage, geolocation, notifications APIs. I'll go over the full curriculum in a bit, but that's the main goal here, to get you to truly know JavaScript. From being somewhat familiar with it, to being a JavaScript superhero, if that's what you want, or at least someone who just gets JavaScript and isn't getting by on the first, 75% of the language, but fully understands basically 100%. I can't promise I'll get you to 100%. There are certainly really niche, tiny things that I'm not covering in this course, but I'm doing my best. I mean, it's almost 20 hours at this point in time of advanced JavaScript content.